So Susie is, oh, there she is. What a surprise. Is this the final frame for this window?
Yes, it is.
All right. Okay, I'm going to ask you, is it perfect?
Yes.
Okay, good. We just had a discussion. I said she's too hard on herself. And she noticed, tell them what you noticed. Tell them what you're doing right there before you stick that wood in.
I thought it was going to...
Just a sec, let me get up here.
I thought the frame was going to sit on this board, but no.
It's so snug around that window frame.
Because it's hanging from the top.
Yeah. So she's going to support it with that piece of wood. Perfect. And there we go. That's actually the final windowsill. Look at that. It's nice and wide. And throw a phone up there or some ice water.
We got black duct tape. Oh, or black
caulk,
but just for between the blackboard and the window.
All right.
Then I'm going to have to use white caulk.
Yeah.
Here.
Or clear.
And paint it black. But we got the flat black, and now I don't like it. It shows everything.
So.
And the window's shiny, so this should be shiny. So it's like all one thing.
Okay. I think it's fine flat, but whatever you want, of course. We'll be looking at it.
Of course.
Of course. And I plugged in for the first time the plug that comes over here to the outlet under this box, and I'm powering a studio light over there. I keep forgetting I can have power on. So, good job, Mrs. Moman.
Thank you.
By the way, people, I don't call her Mrs. Moman. Well, I do every now and then just to be funny. So, you're doing a great job. Thank you.
You're welcome.
One more window frame to go.
Woo.
So once we get this installed, after you do some final painting again,
yes,
then I can button that all up with the insulation and the Reflectix.
Button it up.
Button it up. All right. Thanks for the update. Well, we've sort of been on...
You just can't do anything around here without being filmed.
Just about.
I'm like, sneak out and try to do the work.
Right.
Like, oh, here he comes at the camera.
So we have to admit, right, Susie, we don't work on the van every single day.
Well, we haven't, because just a lot of the family stuff going on over Christmas break.
Yeah. And so we don't have, as I keep saying over and over, a big deadline. But I was out filming about the cameras and lights, and I look in here, and you've made some new supports here. It appears that you're installing this. Wait, you're leaving. Are you installing it now?
Yeah.
Oh, so maybe today, if I wanted to, I could...
Put all the shiplap on that side.
No, we're not going to do that today. I got to insulate. But anyway, that's looking great, doesn't it? So Susie, are you saying I made a mess?
Pretty much.
Yeah, but it's for a good reason, isn't it?
Yeah, look at this.
I mean, look at that. People were beginning to think we were never going to finish these back parts of the wall, but...
Actually, I was thinking that myself.
Yeah. So Susie has just cut 2 more little supports. If one is good, 2 is better. And so I've just stuck in the mineral wool insulation. And so I'm going to get out some Reflectix and get that wall covered.
What's so mineral about it?
Huh?
What is so mineral about it?
Just Google it. I don't want to explain it. It's not wool as in...
It looks like wool, but it doesn't look anything like mineral.
Right. Okay. Thank you. There's always one in every crowd. So look at that. It looks like, wow, a window with a windowsill and everything. I'm proud of you. Good job.
I never knew. Wasn't really sure this was going to happen.
So how many did you actually build? I think you said the wrong number the other day. I think you said 6.
Yeah. I was 6 of these black things.
Oh, okay.
And 4 of these, but only need 2.
So you're going to how are you going to finalize that in there with a brad nailer?
I'm going to take a brad nailer.
I know that mineral. I need to get it covered up.
I need to get out of here. It won't take very many.
Right.
A few in each thing. It's like not going anywhere anyway. In fact, if you try to take it out, you have to do a little.
And you might do a little touch-up paint too.
Yeah.
Okay.
I got to play the princess game now.
Oh, with the granddaughter. Okay. So it's nice if you could just roll this out and have one solid wall of Reflectix, but that's just not going to happen. So I do some piecing. So like this piece here will fit in behind the wood. I think some of these back here, I took the supports out, put the Reflectix and then put the wood back in, but I am not touching this. So I'll get it all fit in here, and then I'll use my foil tape. And this is what I've got left. So I think it's going to be close. I think this roll, this piece here, and this roll may get me done on both sides. If not, I can get a small roll. So you don't need to see me put this on, but I just fit it back in there, tape it, and I've got airspace, and so it's going to work well. And finally, so I've been working and getting insulation in there and Reflectix, and over there to the right of the window, I just realized I had not pulled out the cord for the AC outlet there, so I pulled it out in time. I'm glad I thought of it now. And we have one more support to put in here, and then I can finish up, and then I'm going to put Reflectix across the top, and all that across will be covered with some open shelving. So just about there on this side. Good job, Susie. The frame looks great. So last night I pretty well finished up all of the Reflectix with the insulation behind it. We're actually going to be putting carpet on the metal around the door here, and so I didn't completely button it up right here. So about done. And now we're trying to decide, do we go ahead and put the open shelving up before we put the shiplap? I've kind of seen people do it both ways, so that's why I haven't done anything here just yet with the Reflectix. I'm guessing we're probably going to go ahead and put the shiplap on once the other window frame is done, and then do it so that we're not having to do real narrow cuts of the shiplap, but whatever will work. And then we can fit in the open shelving. I do not know if it's going to go all the way across. We've kind of gone back and forth on that. It may just come to here, or just from the front up to this cooking area and to the over here. The kitchen sink is not going to be anywhere with any shelving because the cargo door is there. But we probably will have at least one shelf up there. Again, we're doing final decisions on that. So moving along, and I'm glad it's going to have a few nice warmer days this week. Thanks for watching.